Hi everyone, video 2 for biology vocab. So the first video we looked at diffusion. Here in this video we're going to look at active transport. So before I forget, because I sort of did in my first take, I'm going to write out the word active transport. Now this is a really important process because without the word often, because the word or the phrase is the symbolic representation that you have to use within school, the concept can be forgotten often because the word isn't clear. So now, let's get straight on. So the definition of active transport is the movement of molecules across a membrane from a region of low concentration to high concentration against the concentration gradient. Now that is a real mouthful, even for me, and especially for those who've just come across this concept for the first time. It's going to be quite tricky. And the easy thing to do is just to go to your textbook and read the definition, and you might not still pick up on any of it, what it actually means. The concept is still unclear. So to clarify the concept, using clay is a brilliant idea to unpick the definition. So if we're saying the movement of molecules across a membrane, so I need a membrane. Here is my cell. And here are my molecules. And I'm going to add quite a few molecules. Because this is my area of high concentration. They are still moving, my molecules, but they're still jam-packed, highly concentrated area. And then around the cell, I have low concentration. So very spread out molecules around my cell. And yet, active transport, unlike diffusion, is where the movement of these molecules is travelling inwards into the concentrated area. It's very easy for cells, if the cell were to break, it's very easy for the molecules to just splurge outwards. It's not easy for these molecules that are free to go into this really concentrated area. And that is what active transport is. It requires energy. The cell will have to provide energy in order to move these molecules into this highly concentrated area because the cell needs it. And there we go. That is active transport.